A very good morning to all of you. Let's start with day 4 of the Leetcode August challenge. Let's see what is today's question. Today's question is power of 4. Okay, let's go to the question together. Given an integer, write a function to check whether it is a power of 2 or not, a power of 4 or not. Yeah, so let's think about the solution. But before we jump onto the solution, I highly recommend to solve this problem first. This problem is kind of an extension to identifying whether a number is of power of 2 or not. So let's solve that problem first and then we'll come back to this problem. So in the power of 2 question, you need to identify whether the number is of power of 2 or not. So let's go to this problem first. Identify the number is a power of 2 or not. So you go here. The process is very simple. So every number that is of power of 2 has only single 1 in its binary representation. So if you count the number of ones in the binary representation of the number, then you will find only single instance. For example, let's take the case of 1, 2 raised to power 0, 2 raised to power 0. So binary representation is 0 1, single 1, 2 raised to power 2 1, that is 2 1 0. Similarly, 2 raised to power 2, that is 4, that implies 1 0 0. 2 raised to power 3, that implies 8, 1 0 0, triple 0. So now comes the concern, like how will you solve this problem? The problem solution is very simple. So if you do, it's you just kind of want to understand the solution and kind of learn it, because it becomes too obvious for you once you know how it works. So what you do is you find another number, integer 1 minus current, which is n minus 1, and if you do the AND of these two numbers, if 1 minus current and n, if it gives us a 0, then that means the number is a power of 2. Return true, otherwise return false. So let's try to run this code. It passed. Nice. If n is equal to 0, return false. This is just one of the corner case. I think I missed another corner case again. So it has to be less than 0, because negative numbers we don't consider as power of 2. So now let's try to run this code. And it passed. So the algorithm to identify whether a number is of power of 2 or not, you do an AND with a 1 minus the number and check whether the value reduces to 0 or not. If it reduces, then it's a power of 2. If it is not, then it is not. So we will be extending this logic to solve the problem for power of 4, and we will try and search for the index where that 1 exists. For example, in the binary representation from 1 to 32, you will check which index we received 1, and if that index is of odd value, if that index is is even in nature, then you get the right answer, and if it is odd in nature, then it is not a power of 4. For example, uh, 4. Let's take the example of 4. So 100. So the index would be 0, 1, and 2. Since it even we get 1 at an even index, it becomes a power of 4. While it is not the case with 2 or 8. 8 representation is 100. So it comes at an odd index, which is 0, 1, 2, 3. And hence it is not. It should return false. It should return true. And then similarly 16. So you identify where the 1 exists in the binary representation, and then you check whether it is even index or odd index. It is if even index, then the value is true, it is power of 4. If it is not, you will simply reject the rejected, returning false. So first of all, let's identify whether the number is of power of 2 or not. If it is not, we'll simply reject it, because any number which is power of 4 should be of power of 2. So if n and n number minus 1 is equal to 0, if it is the case, then we will try and check for power of 4, return false, because it is not, it can never be. And now let's try to identify the position, the index where we received a 2. So we'll be using the right shift operation to divide the number 32 times to get the value at every binary index. Right shift operation. If that index where we got a 1 is even in nature, then we return true. Index where we got 1. So let's try and run this out. It passed. Now and try to submit this code. It passed again. So thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, please share and subscribe it with your friends.